National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana until 6:30 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Porter to Hebron, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage, Valparaiso, Chesterton, Hebron, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Porter, Counts, Burns Harbor, Town of Pines, Beverly Shores, Wheeler, Dune Acres, Boone Grove, Duns Bridge, and Mulligan. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 25 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 21 and 32. This includes Valparaiso University, Indiana Dunes State Park, and Porter County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's